Hello everyone, welcome back to PerTS. Let us review today's Bank Nifty movement and then we analyze how market might perform tomorrow, that is 10th January. If you had observed our yesterday's video, how we have analyzed multi-time frame analysis, overall our view is, in the 5 minutes time frame bearish, but what we concluded yesterday is we need a pullback to take a short trade. So this is where yesterday market closed. So what we were anticipating is market will make a pullback to the higher side towards this particular resistance zone, and then it will make a change of character on the downside. Then we can take a trade and we will target this particular swing low or else the demand zone here. So this is what our analysis, and today market opened gap up and then it actually took a resistance here, but although we were anticipating that the change of character to occur, it's like suddenly market went up, moved down, and there is no change of character. Market did not fall further, so obviously we wouldn't have got this opportunity here on the short side unless we aggressively take a short position in this resistance zone. So and then what happened, market again went higher. And then here is what we can see that market has changed its character. So this is what we are anticipating. The 5 minute time frame is in the resistance zone, and we clearly know that the supply is here, but I was thinking that market will move like this, will make, and then instead of going higher, probably it will change of character here itself, so that we'll get a short trade and then we can target this. But instead what market did was, whatever the stop losses in this zone has, the market went hit those stop losses. So here is what market made a change of character. Okay, once the change of character happens, as per our first lesson which we taught in YouTube, is like take a position here and keep stop loss above the previous swing high, and then your target will be the swing low. This is the target. And then although it's almost like 1.5-2 hours you would have struggled holding the position because it's not moving, but eventually before hitting the stop loss, actually it gave the target. This is like almost like 1:5 or 1:4. Let's say we keep our stop loss here and we are targeting the swing low. Yeah, so 1:4 we should have got actually. Okay, this is the summary which we have discussed yesterday, and let us do our review on my multi-time frame again and see whether we will be able to find out the direction for tomorrow. So our 1 week time frame is still bullish and we are waiting for pullback, and that pullback is just started. So that is what we have mentioned yesterday also. Weekly is bullish and we need pullback. Now let's see on the daily time frame. See, in daily time frame, if you have remembered yesterday, we mentioned that the first change of character that we have seen in this uptrend is here, right? Because market was forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and this is the place where that change of character that has happened, right? Because it is closed below the previous swing low, and that is why we have marked this is our resistance zone. And see, market actually came to that resistance zone, and from there it has fallen significantly. This is our daily time frame. So is there any change in our trade bias? Let's see, it is internal bearish and the market is in bearish mode, so no change. Okay, now let us go to 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, yesterday what we discussed was, after this break of structure, there is a strong demand zone in 1 hour time frame. What we discussed yesterday is, in case if market falls to demand zone, what we need to look for, to go for long position, we need a change of character, that is showing us a reversal here, right? Then we can aim for long position, keeping our stop loss here and then targeting this previous swing high, right? So is there any change as of now? In our analysis yesterday, there is no change. market has reached to our 1 hour demand zone, and now it is time for us to wait for tomorrow what kind of price action it forms, whether it will break this strong demand zone or it will make a change of character, and then it will facilitate the original trend, which is like so this is the original trend from this strong demand zone. Whether the market will continue to go in that direction or not, that we need to see based upon the price action tomorrow. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame. So in our 1 hour time frame, there is no change, internal bearish, still it is bearish. Now probably we can add a comment that we need to wait for chalk to take a long trade. Okay, now let's come to 15-minute time frame. Okay, in 15-minute time frame, yesterday we discussed that there was a break of structure because the market closed below the previous swing low. So that formed our strong supply zone 15-minute time frame here. Within this swing, the highest point remains the strong supply. So what we were expecting yesterday was the market to give us a pullback and then take a short trade. Yeah, so that's what exactly happened here, but it did not come to the strong supply zone, but it has come almost near to the 50% of the zone. So this is the 50% of the zone. It came near to the 50% of the zone, and then market reversed, right? So here what happened again, market made another break of structure by closing this candle below the previous swing low. So this is our 15-minute break of structure. So now your 15-minute strong supply from here to here it will move. Okay, this remains your 15-minute strong supply, the highest candle here. Okay, now after the break of structure, we normally expect market to pull back. After the break of structure, we need a pullback, right? So that during in the supply zone, if we see a change of character, then we can take a short trade and then aim for this previous swing low to be taken out, right? That is the idea. Now there is a high probability that this pattern will occur tomorrow because we are already in the 1 hour demand zone, which can push the market high. So that also facilitates whatever the requirement that we need, the pullback in 15-minute time frame. And once it comes to supply zone, because of the strong supply that we have seen today also, can push again market down towards this swing low. So there is a high chance that this structure will work tomorrow. So in 5-minute time frame also, we see that swing structure remains the same. So this is like break of structure in 5-minute time frame. So our strong supply will be here now. So our earlier strong supply 5-minute time frame moves from this top to this swing high. So now you can see that 5-minute and 15-minute supply almost remain at the same place. That means this is like a strong zone for tomorrow. And on the downside, we are near 1 hour demand zone. So from down, we are expecting a pullback to come, and from the top, like 5-minute and 15-minute supply, we are expecting a shift towards downside. Once we see the change of character, we can go short. So in our trade plan, 15 minutes we are bearish, 5-minute also we are bearish, and we are bearish until we see change of character. So now in 5-minute time frame also it applies same thing. So until it shows change of character, we remain bearish, but in case if it changes its character, we can go long trade because we are near 1 hour demand zone, and then we can target the swing high. From there, if you see any reversal structure happens, then you can go for the short trade. So that is our analysis for tomorrow. Stay tuned, we'll connect tomorrow again. Thank you for watching.